Sublight Dynamics of 6DOF Joystick Early Access. 6 degrees of freedom, also known as 6DOF, means the joystick measures not just the 3 rotation axis pitch, yaw, and roll of a traditional joystick, but also the translation axis up down, left right, and forward backward. While the design has been primarily focused on space games, the joystick has potential uses in other applications, such as VR and robotics. The company has tested in a variety of games with 6 degrees of freedom, most prominently including Elite Dangerous, Star Citizen, and Overlord. The joystick works by measuring forces applied to the handle. Controlling an application means simply moving the handle in the desired direction. Using force sensors also means that there is no hard physical center to the motion, making small adjustments easier and allowing for fast, smooth input changes with no bearings to wear out over time. Because of the vertical axis, the joystick should be used while fixed to the surface of its own. This can be the top of a desk using a common C clamp or in front of a desk using the included desk monitoring clamp. The joystick is fully ambidextrous, requiring only swapping of a palm to switch from right to left handed. The precise force sensors act through a multi-part spring suspension system balanced around the center of the handle, so that the force can be applied at the handle's center without causing rotation. This provides a blend of kinesthetic feedback like a traditional motion-based stick with the reaction speed and sensitivity customization associated with force controllers. Most components on the joystick will be made of cast resin. The base plate, clamp, and armrest will be made from laser cut steel. Because the Sublight joystick is primarily designed as a simulation gaming device, it includes a number of inputs on the handle. Orbital 2 Next Generation Creative Joystick. The Orbital 2 is a state-of-the-art device that was developed in order to eliminate the use of keyboard operations in the creative industry. In order to create an environment where creatives have increased productivity and efficiency while also reducing their fatigue and stress, the company has implemented a unique mechanism not found in the existing products, bringing them all into one joystick. It can be placed on any surface and is designed for ambidextrous use, and its ergonomic design notably reduces the chance of getting tenosynovitis. It is also fully customizable to the user, making every O2 unique to the creatives. Though these commitments to the Orbital 2, the company aims to make the daily lives of current and future creatives a lot more easy, efficient, and fun. To make all the creativity more profitable, the company would deliver the Orbital 2 into a world that very much needs it. The O2 offers 32 to 256 types of shortcut keys and button operations for any creative software. You only need to manage 3 functions: tilt, roll, and push. Control is right at your fingertips. Depending on the way you combine these functions, you can assign several hundreds commands. Moreover, you can conduct complex operations continuously by combining 3 movements, similar to how you would execute special moves in fighting-based video games. With a flat ring, in addition to the keyboard shortcuts, you can also assign items to the on-screen menu overlay. Using this feature makes it possible to assign functions to a switch at all once, saving you time and streamlining the process. King's Assembly, a computer mouse full of awesomeness. Do you get frustrated with switching between your mouse and keyboard? Do you want to use your mouse and keyboard at the same time? Yeah, we do too. We challenge ourselves to find a way to move a mouse quickly and accurately without using fingers or thumbs. This is the reason the company has designed a contoured palm rest that comfortably anchors your palms and enables you to drive the mouse without moving a single digit. The palm rest is designed to allow unobstructed movement of your fingers and thumbs while still providing enough leverage in all the directions to maintain precise mouse control. With fingers and thumbs liberated, this puts controls within easy reach so you can type using hotkeys, hold buttons down, and manipulate joysticks while accurately controlling the mouse. The Experts would be able to provide an awesome wireless device, multiple selectable endpoints, the ability to tie it into pretty much any Bluetooth device, including computers, phones, tablets, consoles, and a great battery that charges through the USB connection are some of the highlights. Contoured palm rest allows you to move the device as a mouse by simply moving your hand palm. Rest is adjustable back, forth, side to side, up and down, and can be rotated to put your hand in the perfect position relative to the finger keyboard and thumb controls using an ultra stable, no wobble mechanism. When coupled, a full King's assembly will have two times optical laser inputs, one for each hand, that will show up as one pointer input mouse cursor with the motion from both laser added together. Teflon pads as feet for slick sliding. As bulky as the device looks, it moves very easily and accurately. The company has used the beefy Atmel AT90 USB 128 chip in each hand of King's assembly for maximum horsepower, dedicated inputs for all the controls, and a network endpoint to allow web browser configurability. Nextstick, next generation joystick 3D mouse. Nextstick is a joystick type mouse that combines the functionalities of a 3D mouse and a macro keyboard. It provides a convenient computing environment for paperwork, web surfing, presentations, and multimedia control. Nextstick provides 3D motion range for conventional 2D devices such as touchscreen and computer mouse, as well as a macro keyboard button that can be set and scheduled. It works just same as the regular mouse but with enhanced features to conduct better office work, web surfing, presentations, and multimedia operations. Unlike an Air mouse, Nextstick operates the same way as any conventional mouse but provides the motion range of three-dimensional spaces. It's a fully functioning mouse that enables cursor movement, clicking, double clicking, right clicking, and scrolling. After pressing the calibration button, adjust the aiming position by rotating the Nextstick to the cursor position. The distance setting window, which you can access by right clicking or opening the icon, allows you to adjust the speed of the cursor to your liking by altering the distance value setting. Nextstick controls the movement of the cursor in 3D range while allowing you to click, double click, right click just like a regular 2D mouse. This makes complex media presentations easier to control. Nextstick can also control cursor movement in any space for convenient search, multimedia control. You can save phrases like ID send passwords or letters on Nextstick macro shortcut keys for games to conveniently enter them without scrambling on your keyboard. Movo Ball, the gym ball joystick. Movo Ball links to motion sensitive games and heart rate monitors show how the experience is having an effect on your fitness. You just play your favorite games, have fun, and get fitter. We all want to be fitter, stronger, and more active, but sometimes life just gets in the way. We have limited time, and this typically means sacrificing one thing whilst we do another. Well, with Movable, you can do two things at once: get fitter and have fun. Movable acts like a gaming controller that uses your body motion to move the gameplay or character as you would with keys or joystick. By linking Movable to output readers such as heart rate monitors, it can show the effect the game and interaction is having on you physically, whilst you focus on your favorite games and get fitter. Why the Swiss ball? The Swiss ball is universal across health and fitness center. They can be pressure tested to 500 pounds and are very cheap to buy with a proven safety record. With various sizes, all body sizes should be catered for. Our balls range from 45 cm through to 85 cm. Gaming with Movo Ball creates a stealth exercise as you do not notice you're exercising while you're focused on the game and in the zone. It's called cognitive flow. You will also feel more involved and in tune with the game through extra body motion. Many gamers are used to sit down and playing games, so why change the habit of a lifetime? Just feel better and be rewarded with a better experience while you play, during, and afterwards. You can already play a wide range of games straight from your iPhone or Android phone or tablet, so no waiting for developers to catch up, but just wait until they do. Imagine what they will achieve.